It's time to install my new Klock Werks Pro Touring windshield on the 2016 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Ultra. Let's not waste any time, let's get into it, huh? Hey everybody, welcome back to Touring Midwest. I'm Andrew, and we're going to get this thing installed. Should be a really simple process. I'm going to kind of walk you through it and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. So obviously the first thing we want to do is remove the old windscreen or the stock windscreen. Now, this is about the same height as the new Klock Werks flare windshield that I'm installing. It's about 14 inches. I'm comfortable with this height. It fits me good and it feels good. And actually I don't really have too many complaints with the stock windshield on this bike, but the Klock Werks flare Pro Touring windshields just look so dang cool. Had to do it. So first off, I've got the GoPro mount on the fairing. This is the Rip Rack GoPro fairing mount for the Road Glide. So that's easy. We just unscrew that by hand. Try not to throw it across the room. These are really cool mounts. And helps you get some different angles with the GoPro when you're recording. And these are the Custom Dynamics fairing windshield or fairing LED lights signals. They are really cool. One of the coolest looking additions I think that I've put on the bike, and it really helps with added visibility as well. Makes you more noticeable out there. There's never anything wrong with that. But this process will be the same even if it's your stock Road Glide windshield trim. Just 4 bolts to remove. Once those are off, you can remove your stock windscreen and place your new windscreen on. You just want to replace your windshield molding. I like to wait and not quite tighten everything up, just to make sure you can get the windshield lined up nicely. Once you're comfortable with it, you can tighten your bolts down. And of course you can always recheck those bolts after you've ridden for a few miles, make sure they haven't come loose. Anytime you do any projects where you're loosening up or taking off any bolts or anything like that, you want to do a shakedown. Go for a ride and then double check all your bolts to make sure that they're torqued up good. So remove this plastic and reveal our finished project. So there you go. I mean, in just a couple minutes you can completely transform the look of your Road Glide Ultra. These Klock Werks windshields just look so dang cool. They put their little logo on here, which I think is a cool touch. These windshields actually serve more purpose than just looking cool and being effective. They're not like a normal windshield. The shape is designed to actually force down pressure on your front end. So it's going to keep your front end from lifting. It applies downforce from the wind, which is really kind of a cool thing. Also, these are super durable. Klock Werks has a video where Brian Klock actually bends one of these things in half and it just pops back to its original form. I'm of course not going to try that, but just to show the durability of these windshields. I'll put a link to that video in the description down below because it was pretty impressive. Klock Werks also has their own cleaning product that they recommend called Shineworks. This is their own brand. It's designed for their stuff, but it's supposed to work on everything. It can remove bugs, so use it on your paint, your chrome, your windshield, plastic, anything. It's supposed to be a kind of an all-around great cleaner for every part of your motorcycle. So we're definitely going to be checking this out and doing some testings with it as well. So kind of excited that they sent some of that along with for me. Really cool of them to hook me up with this windshield. I really appreciate that from Klock Werks. I've been looking at these things for a long time, and man, it just looks cool. Change the look of your motorcycle in just a couple minutes. Super easy install. The Klock Werks windscreens are awesome. Like I said, I'm going to include a couple of video links in the description below so you can learn a little bit more about them if you're not familiar with them. Maybe you've seen them and you think they look cool, but once you learn the dynamics behind these things, the durability, the functionality, I think you'll be pretty sold on the Klock Werks Flare windshields. You guys, thanks so much for watching. Stay safe out there as always. We'll catch you next time on Touring Midwest. If you want other tips and tricks, motorcycle touring ideas, installs and tutorials, and general travel around the Midwest videos, be sure to subscribe and ring that bell. It won't cost you a thing, and it'll notify you every time I upload a new video.